Speaker, sir, I thank, through you, sir, I thank the Honorable Minister Sridhar Babu Saab for replying to my very important question, sir, and I'm happy that he replied it. Sir, going further ahead, sir, there are also some, I would like to just end, sir, the Irrigation Minister Saab now says that the project is useless and unviable and not a single acre is irrigated through its waters. I thank the Sridhar Babu for giving me this reply, but I was hearing these were the sentences of the Irrigation Minister Saab, saying that project is useless, unviable, and not a single acre is irrigated through its waters. अब ये मिनिस्टर साहब एक जवाब दे रहे, शुक्रिया साहब आपका, वो मिनिस्टर साहब जब उनका वक्त था तो ये बोले। खैर ये वैसी है सर, जैसा बुक में एक रहता है बोलते हैं एक है, तो अब कोई बात नहीं सर। ओके सर, I would also like to know whether the government is going to about this sir, when I say that, sir, I was going through this book, sir. ये 3 बुक्स है सर, इसमें ये लास्ट जो था इसमें थोड़े से ऑब्जर्वेशंस और उसके है, तो आई कुडंट रीड ऑल द बुक्स, बट ये इसमें थोड़े इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स थे, आई वाज रीडिंग सर. Sir, when I was reading, sir, so the terms of reference of the commission were not comprehensive, and this was the reason cited by the commission for refraining from taking into consideration of the reports of CAG. Sir, इसमें मैं पढ़ रहा था सर, इसमें लिखा हुआ है. I don't know if you're going to allow me the time, sir. I have all the pages. I can read it, sir. Where Justice Saab, the commission is saying, sir, we do not want to comment on that because it is not in our term of reference. Sir, we were talking about, sir, इतने लोग, इतनी देर से मैं सुन रहा था सर, सारे लोग बहुत एक दूसरे से झगड़ रहे थे, एक दूसरे को क्लैरिफाई कर रहे थे, गुस्से में आ रहे थे, इधर से भी. And you know, sir, they were talking about vigilance and enforcement report, National Dam Safety Authority, अभी आप बोले, report of expert committee, report on damages of Kaleshwaram project, CAG. लेकिन सर मैं आपके थ्रू गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सर कि एक डिस्कशन रखिए सर, जहां पे आप CAG परफॉर्मेंस ऑडिट रिपोर्ट भी रखिए, आप कालेश्वरम विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट भी रखिए, नेशनल डैम सेफ्टी अथॉरिटी की रिपोर्ट भी रखिए, एक्सपर्ट कमेटी की रिपोर्ट भी रखिए, और हमारे पास यहां टेबल करने से पहले मैं ये बोलूंगा कि आप घोष साहब को भी दे दीजिए और टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस को चेंज कर बोलिए कि ये सारे चीजों को आप ले लीजिए, इनको लेकर करिए. सर, द रीजन इज दैट सर, इसमें यहां पे घोष कमेटी सर इसमें बोलते हैं सर, दे आर क्लियरली सेइंग दैट कि विजिलेंस गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से हमको लेटर आया, विजिलेंस ये बोली है कि सारे कागजात हम लेके गए हैं, इनके पास कुछ भी नहीं है. इट इज देयर इन दिस बुक सर. तो सवाल यह है कि सर आप एक कमीशन को अपॉइंट करते हैं, टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंसेस को आप स्ट्रांग नहीं करते हैं, तो हाउ वुड अ कमीशन हैव अ रियल इंक्वायरी? सर, आई रियली फेल सर, गोइंग फर्दर अहेड सर, इफ आई हैव टू गो फर्दर अहेड सर, I would also say, sir, so the CAG noted that the Kaleshwaram project was likely to exceed from 1,47,247 crores as against cost of 89,911 crores projected to Central Water Commission. CAG audit report on Kaleshwaram has pointed out that the government has not accorded administrative approvals of the project as a whole, and instead it has issued separate approvals as many as 73 for an aggregate amount of 1,10,248 crores, or the total expenditure of 86,788 crores incurred in this project in the March 2022, and expenditure of 55,807 crores are met from the off-budget borrowing raised by Kaleshwaram Irrigation Project Corporation Limited, sir. Sir, they have given many observations, sir. Sir, क्योंकि वक्त नहीं है, काफी देर हो गई, so I'm just not going into more detail, sir. But sir, I don't know, sir, how could it happen before the copy? One important, sir, I always raise this, sir. Sir, through you, sir, I would like to bring to the notice of Honorable Legislative Affairs Minister Saab, Sridhar Babu Saab also, sir. Sir, in March 2024, sir, the present government has appointed a one-man inquiry commission headed by former Chief Justice AP High Court, retired Supreme Court, वो एक लोकपाल के पनकी चंद्रा घोष को अपॉइंट करे, sir. Commission submitted its report on government on 31st July, sir. Sir, now, sir. Sir, आप इंटरवीन करना है, sir. ये बार-बार की आदत बन गई है, sir. Sir, इसमें देखिए कि however, even before the state cabinet discussed the commission report, on 4th of August findings of the commission report were widely reported in the print and electronic media of several days prior to the release of the presentation of commission report and its executive summary by the government. Sir, ये बताइए क्या है sir ये? So is it कि intentionally the government is leaking the report to the media, sir? Is it fair, sir? So what is the privilege of the cabinet? What is the privilege of this house, sir? Sir, we as a legislatures, we do not know what is there in the report because the report is not tabled, but the journalist and the newspaper and the media houses, they get to know before us. No, sir, it came before, sir. That is what I am saying, sir. It came before. It came before, sir. Sir, before the copy of the inquiry commission report is tabled in legislature, and with the action taken report of the government, the publication and telecast of exact finding of commission before the cabinet meeting clearly constitute a breach of privilege of this august house, sir. This is very important, sir. Nobody is talking about this, sir. Sir, there is a privilege of this house, sir. There is the honor of this house, sir. There is a privilege of the chair. There is a privilege of the members of this house, sir. तो आप बताइए सर, बाहर वालों को मालूम हो जाता है, हम लेजिस्लेटर्स को बाद में मालूम होता है. So this is why, sir, this needs to be taken care, sir. Going into specifics, I may point out the terms of reference, including inquiry into negligence, irregularity, lacuna in planning, designing, construction. All of these are there, sir. Sir, मैं उसको omit कर रहा हूं, sir. Not going into detail, sir. Sir, the commission concluded that the entire project was characterized by the rampant and brazen procedural financial irregularities. It recommended recovery of rupees 6.78 crores. Nobody spoke, sir. I was listening to so many members over here, BRS हो या दूसरे हो, BJP हो या कांग्रेस की तरफ से, nobody said, sir. Sir, आपको सुन के खुद हैरत होगी स्पीकर साहब. Sir, कमीशन में घोष साहब इसमें रिकमेंड करे हैं to recover only 6.78 crores paid to WAPCOS Water and Power Consultancy Services India Limited from the responsible official who brushed aside the WAPCO's report. Please see the page number 638, sir. यहाँ पर 638 पेज नंबर है सर रिपोर्ट में. इसमें क्लियरली कह रहे हैं सर, द कंसर्न इंजीनियर एंड चीफ इंजीनियर्स ऑफ द डैम सेफ्टी डिवीजन ऑफ सेंट्रल डिजाइन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन शैल बी लायबल फॉर फेलियर टू टेक सब स्टेप्स, सर. और इसमें बोल रहे हैं कि उनसे पैसे लेने के लिए, सर. तो सर मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहा हूं सर आपके जरिए, जरा इरिगेशन मिनिस्टर साहब या जो भी मिनिस्टर्स हैं सर, वो मुझे जवाब दें. यहां पे कमीशन रिपोर्ट बोल रही है कि 6.78 करोड़ उनसे रिकवर कर लो. मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूं, ये कमीशन पे कितना पैसा खर्चे सर? आप कितना पैसा खर्चे सर? सर एक 3 करोड़ का खर्चा हुआ होगा ना सर? तो नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, commission is giving us a report, recover 6.78 crores. We might have almost spent some 2.5 crores or more than that. Flights हुए होंगे, आना होगा, जाना होगा, ठीक है, कम होगा. चलिए आप बोल दीजिए कितना है. Sir, I really fail to understand, sir. The commission further.
Akbar bhai, 1 minute. Sir, first of all, I have to clarify regarding the leakage of the report. It has not been, sir, because after the cabinet itself have issued to the press. Before that, out of speculation somebody would have written, but still our learned friend is insisting. We will definitely try to inquire about it.
Sir, it was before the cabinet would discuss.
So I would like to know, because I was just asking.
I sent the details of the newspaper.
Sure, sir, we will definitely inquire about it. Because we just thought it's speculation, basically because the people who are appearing before the commission, they would have come and let the information what the commission would have asked. In fact, we would like to go through whatever the Akbar Saab has told just now. And sir, this, on the page of 637, what he has been mentioning, it's only in regarding to only WAPCOs, not total project, sir. It's only regarding WAPCOs. So this is the, you know, सर उसका नहीं सर पूरा मिला के उसका कितना क्या करना है वो जो करना है after government takes any decision we'll go and evaluate and try to do it, sir. And anyway, sir, he also knows because he's been a senior legislator for any sort of inquiry. It's a bounden duty of the government to pay for the commission, and the commission expenses, the running expenses and everything, it has to be borne by the government, sir. When suppose the fraud involved or the corruption involved or the fraudulence involved is an extent which is less than the commission charges and all, we have to go by it, sir. That is the regular exercise what we take, or anybody will take. So that is for the information to honorable member, who is also a learned member, who has been there continuously and who has seen so many commissions also.